This is technical support video CL211, and this is showing you how to set a predetermined or fixed amount into the percentage key. So the percentage key, which you can use as standard for discounts, can be found here. So in standard operation you can put in £10 and then you can go 10%. And here you can see that's £9. So that's what we call an open percent. And if you're happy with that, you can just leave it as that, and that will just allow you to apply an open percent to it each time. Without any setting changes, you can also then, if you've pressed subtotal, so as you can see this is the item off the sale. If I close the drawer and do another sale, you can now see the subtotal is £20. If I want 10% off the whole sale rather than just the item, I can now put it in now. And here you can see that it's put 10% off the whole sale. Now you've also got the option on this machine as well to preset this button with an amount. So if, say for example, we want to set it with 10%, we can simply turn the key around to the PRG position. And once we're in this is the programming mode, and if we want 10%, we type in 1000 and press the button. The printer will print, and this will show you that the discount button has been sent to 10%. Sorry. Now if we turn the key back round to the reg and put in an item, £20, department 7, and press the percent button, you can see that straight away it's taken our 10% off it. So the percent button can be used in two ways. It can either be open and after an item, so one item in the sale has the discount applied to it, or if you've pressed subtotal, you can then apply a discount to the whole sale, and it can either be fixed, so you can actually fix the discount so that it can't be overridden, or you can have it open so that it allows you to open a different discount amount on either each item or each sale. Thank you for watching this video.